Good morning students. I hope you all are fine. In last video we have studied about terrestrial plants. In this video we are going to study about aquatic plants. When we walk past any pond or lake, we see many beautiful plants. The plants that grow in water is called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are of two types: floating plants, fixed plants, and underwater plants. Floating plants. Plants such as water hyacinth and duckweed float freely on water. They float because they have light spongy body filled with air. Fixed plants. Fixed plants such as lotus and water lily are fixed plants. Their roots are fixed in the mud at the bottom of the pond. Their broad and flat leaves help them float on the surface. The large leaves allow these plants to get enough air and sunlight to make food with the help of photosynthesis process. They have hollow and flexible stems which allow the plants to bend with water wave. Next is underwater plants. Plants such as hydrilla and tape grass grow underwater. Hydrilla has thin small leaves while tape grass has narrow leaves that looks like ribbon. Underwater plants have flexible stems. The thin leaf and flexible stems help these plants to let the water flow. They breathe through small air spaces on their body surface. Next is some special types of plants. The plants that feed on insects are called insectivorous plants. Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, and sundew are some examples of insectivorous plant. These plants get their food from insects. These type of plants are also known as flesh-eater plants. The Venus flytrap plant has leaves that are in the form of boxes with hinges. The leaves have hair along their edges. When an insect sits on the leaf and touches the hair, the leaf shuts and the insect gets trapped. Due to pressure and suffocation, that animal will die. After that, this plant will secrete some digestive juices, due to which this animal will digest totally. After digesting that animal, the boxes of that plant again opens. You can see the total process in this video. Next is sundew. Sundew have some really sticky glue on their edges, and this edges helps to trap the insect. When any insect come and sit on the edges, it is trapped, and because of that strong sticky glue, it is not able to untrap itself. The whole process you can see in this video. And just like Venus flytrap plant, after digesting the animal or insect, it opens its edges. Next is pitcher plant. The picture plant has leaves that are in the form of a pitcher with a lid to cover the mouth of the pitcher. When an insect sits on the pitcher, the insect gets trapped, and that water is digestive juices which helps to digest that animal. As you know that plants are green because of chlorophyll, but some plants are there which don't have chlorophyll. These plants are known as non-green plants. The Indian pipe, coral roots are some example of non-green plants. These plants cannot make their own food. They absorb food mostly from dead plants and animals. So here we have studied about many types of plants. Every plant have their own characteristics and beauty. So here our chapter is over now. In next video I will be there with some another new interesting topic. Till then, bye bye students.